got to sit, and then we've got to sit all the way home.
No, you'll dry off with the walk back.
Just realized we're the only ones without ponchos.
Yeah.
You're the ones that are going to get wet.
That takes all the fun out of it.
Yeah, that is true.
That's why you go on these last and then just go home after.
Yeah.
We got caught in that storm on Wednesday at Animal Kingdom.
Oh, we did too, but we were in Busch Gardens. It was horrible.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, shoot.
Ah! Ah! It went straight to my socks.
Yeah, I'll go wet salt.
No, turn. They got the ponchos, get them wet.
What saved my eyes?
Oh, here we go.
Oh, that was good.
Oh, God. Oh. My socks. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. It's better than the other one you did.
Well, I'm drier than I thought I would be so far.
Oh, now you've said it. Now you've said
Jinx it, yeah.
You're gonna jinx it.
That's okay, we need good footage.
Look at the water we
Oh, that went right into my sock.
We're sinking.
Oh, great. Ah. Ah.
It takes forever.
Ah. Ah.
There you go, you said it now. Yeah, exactly. You jinx it.
Well, I'm just gonna shut up now.
It goes in the elevator. There's an elevator that goes up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wait, we got a drop here too?
Yeah.
Oh, man. I didn't...
Oh shit.
No! 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 Ah, ah, ah. That was a little baby one.
Eita.
Oh! Oh no! Oh! 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 Straight to my underwear.
Look at it.
My whole
Oh,
Seems like it goes straight to my socks through my underwear.
Oh my god!
what's the point in wearing a poncho?
Oh my god, we're sinking!
What is that doing up now?
We got hold of this really good thing.
Oh. I'm glad this is the last ride of the day.
Yep.
Bag's on the floor. Yeah, it's in that bag. It's fine.
Oh, it's a bit swish.
Well, I've got wet pants though.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is the
I don't think you get too wet on this part.
Yeah.
shut up. What a rush. No, not a rush. I'm gonna rush to the car and turn the heater on. Well, we got some good footage.
You all wet. There's not a single spot. You dry.
My underwear, my socks.
Doesn't even matter wearing a pump shop, still wet. You got Crocs on.
Only my socks.
I think you're the luckiest one.
Yeah, it was Crocs.
You like that?
Well, I am drenched.
Me too.
Okay, now it's cold.
That was a big wave at the end. I wasn't expecting that.
Wave, that's a waterfall.
I don't know.
Okay,
Might take me a minute to get out here.